So these are some directions on how to do the evodot activity. Hopefully you were able to load it, but I'm going to go through step by step, and hopefully I will not have an easy time loading it so I can show you some of the troubleshooting stuff. So I'm just going to Google evodots, and I'm going to click on the first thing that comes up. And this gives you a little bit of background information about evodots. You don't have to read it. But then you're going to download the evodot application depending on whether you have a Mac or a PC. To be honest, I've never done this on a Mac. I'm gonna see my parents this weekend and I will give it a shot. So I might be able to answer some questions about running it on a Mac, but I'm gonna go through the evodots for Windows. And the key here is that you might end up with a compressed file, so you'll want to extract everything before you start. So I'm going to click on evodots for Windows. Okay, and now it's loaded. So I'm going to open that up. And this doesn't have Java on it. And so that is going to be a problem. You do need Java. So I'm going to pause this video and get Java. So I have now on Googled Java download, and I'm going to go to download my free Java software. Some of your parents may need to help you do this if they control what you can and can't download on your computer. So I am going to say Java download. Just so you guys see, now I'm downloading and installing Java on my computer. I'm going to pause it until that's done because you don't need to watch this happen. But this was the problem, which again, I'm glad we ran into this so that you guys could see how I would troubleshoot through. Okay, so I've updated my Java. I had to uninstall some old versions. So now I'm going to give this a shot and we'll see what happens. So we're going to open this. And I'm just going to say close. I'm not going to buy anything here. But here I've got evodots.exe, that's the executable file. I'm going to double click on that. And up pops evodots. Now, sometimes different things pop up. So when I did this on a different computer, like on my work computer, I actually had to extract the files first. And then I saw a file with these little dots on it that I clicked on. In this case, I didn't need that. So you are going to have to do a little bit of troubleshooting on your own. Different things might happen. We are happy to have meetings with you on Zoom if you just need somebody to say well, try clicking on this or try extracting that. So, but now I have evodots. So I'm going to make a new population here. And I actually had to click it twice. So again, just be a little persistent. And I have all these different colored dots. And these different colored dots are going to go at different speeds. As you can see here, there's speed. And so the black dots are the slowest, the red dots are the fastest. Or it might be vice versa, I can't remember. We'll find out. And then we have these three options down here that the speed of the dots is variable, meaning there's variation. They're going to change. Not that the dots would change, but within the population there's variation. That the speed is heritable. So when I reproduce that I'm going to show you, the blue dot gives birth to a blue dot. So that speed gets inherited. And that the survival is selective. That means there's some sort of selective pressure in the environment, meaning there's an advantage to having a faster or slower speed, okay? Now, in the directions, it says that you're going to click on dots for 30 seconds. So I'm going to just press run and you can see these dots start moving. And then I have 30 seconds to click on as many dots as possible. So if you look down here in the corner, as I click, you'll notice dots disappear, okay? I'm gonna just pause it right now. Some of you will find that you are excellent at clicking on dots and you actually kill off all your dots within 30 seconds. That's not good as far as the learning of this activity. So if you find that that's you, shorten the time frame to maybe 15 seconds. Or I've also suggested for people maybe like 30 clicks. And if you don't kill a dot in your click, that's still a click. So the most you would end up killing is 30, but maybe you only kill 20 or something like that. So I'm going to run this just for a few more seconds. I'm going to kill a couple more dots. Let's say I've maxed out my 30 seconds, or maybe I've decided to do like 15 seconds. Okay, so then I'm going to stop it. And this was my starting population here. This is my current population. Now I'm going to reproduce, and you can see each dot gave birth to a dot of its same color, and that's what we mean by the speed is heritable. Okay, so that's basically what you're going to do, and then you have a worksheet that you're going to kind of follow along, and then some of you by the end are going to totally understand how these three criteria, variable, heritable, and selective, influence evolution and why you need all three of them to influence evolution. Some of you are going to need a little more, and so there is a follow-up video, which is an analysis of this activity where I've gone through and done the entire activity, so that you can kind of see it as you have done it, but with my commentary on it. So that's how you use evodots. No, interesting. This is a new feature. I've never seen that history. I don't know. Okay, this is how you use evodots. So you should be able to do the activity now. Please let us know if you are having major issues. Have a great day.